Today's recipe is a dish that tastes awesome with chapatis, brilliant with dosas, and most importantly, when had with hot rice and Dalithoy, that experience is a blast of flavors on our palates. Welcome back to the Humble Glutton and another episode of Happy Cooking. We have already learnt Beetroot Songh. In today's episode, let's learn Batate Songh or Potato Songh that is prepared in GSP households. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. First, in a heavy bottomed pan, let's heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, to this let's add 3 finely chopped medium-sized onions. Let us roast this onions till it loses its rawness. The fragrance when onions are fried in coconut oil is something to cherish. Onions here have turned translucent. To this, let's add 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion. Yes, in total we need 4 medium-sized finely chopped onions for this recipe. Now, to enhance the flavors, let's add a pinch of asafoetida to this. Let us roast this until the first added onions turn golden in color. Look at this, my dear friends. The first addition of onions have turned golden in color and the second addition of onions have lost their rawness. So now is the time to add our next ingredient, 4 finely chopped tomatoes. For easy, quick and thorough cooking of the tomatoes, it's a good idea to add a little salt after adding tomatoes. After thoroughly mixing the salt, let's close the lid and allow this to cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Look at this, my dear friends. After 5 minutes, tomatoes have cooked well and have come along well with onions. Now to this let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. After mixing the added turmeric, let's add about 5 grams of tamarind pulp. The most important spice after tamarind pulp is 2 tablespoons of chilli powder. You might feel the quantity of chilli powder to be on a higher side, but because onions turn out to be a little sweet, it's almost a requirement to add a little more spice. If you're someone who prefers less spice, then you can add 1 1/4 or 1 1/2 tablespoons of chilli powder. After giving this a good mix, let's add a little water to this mixture. Let us wait for it to come to a boil after adding the water. The mixture has come to a boil and now is the time to add our final ingredient and the most important ingredient, 4 medium-sized mashed potatoes. Once the potatoes and the masala have come together, let's add King of Taste, Mr. Salt. As we have added a little salt while cooking tomatoes, keep in mind the proportion of salt that you add now. After blending in the potatoes and mixing the salt, let's close the lid and let this cook for 5 minutes. Look at this, my dear friends. All the ingredients have come together and cooked perfectly. The fragrance of this is so good that when you prepare this at your home, you'll feel a strange joy in your heart. Tasty and flavor-filled Potato Songh is ready. We hope that you have liked this recipe. If so, please give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends and family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.